Good afternoon. The purpose of this video is to show you how to access the SDSU library to find sources for your academic paper or essay, and also how to get some help in citing them properly. So let's start by going to the SDSU library website. Notice that on the front page of the website, it has a Search All category. This will include books, articles, journals, databases, websites, all kinds of resources that the library has that you have access to as a library member, student, or faculty. So let's say, for example, that you're going to research insomnia or lack of sleep. Let's go ahead and hit the search button. So here from our preliminary search are the results. First of all, we have Get Help. So for example, if you don't like the results you receive, or you're having trouble interpreting them, or you don't have results, you can use these resources to get some help. Here's some One Search All format. There's some DVDs, looks like some sort of a TV show, newspaper articles, journal titles, journal articles, books, databases, etc., etc. For our purposes, we're going to go ahead and browse newspaper articles. All right, I want to get complete results, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Okay, now I'm all set to go. So let's say, for example, I want something recent, right? I don't want something from, let's say, 2000 or something. I want something recent. So we're going to go ahead and refine this. We're going to, let's say, I want some articles from, let's say, the year 2005 to 2020. Okay, so that's going to reset some of those results. Okay. And then the other thing I'm going to have you do is let's go ahead and get specific in terms of what journal we're going to look at. I think for our purposes, we're going to go ahead and practice looking at articles from the New York Times, which is a very well-respected publication. All right, so here you'll want to think about what kind of article do you want from the New York Times. Do you want a personal story about someone who had insomnia? Maybe yes, maybe no. Do you want scientific research about insomnia? Maybe yes, maybe no. You'll have to figure out what you want, and then you'll click on that. All right, this looks interesting. Insomnia can kill you. Let's go ahead and click on that. Okay. Here's a nice little quote from the article. I might even want to use that quote. But what we're going to do first is figure out what we're looking at. So here's an article from the New York Times Online. It was published in the year 2019, June 10th, called Insomnia Can Kill You. And it has these topics in it besides insomnia. And I want to see the record. Okay, so now we have the full text of the article. Let me just explain what the abstract is. So the abstract is the official summary of what's in the article. If you're going to cite the article, you do not cite the abstract. You must scroll down to where it says full text. And then you'll read through the article, and you can choose what you'd like to quote. All right. Once you've done that, make sure that you cite it properly in your essay. So to help you with that, you can click on the word cite up here. And lo and behold, this is the references page citation for this article. So all we have to do is just to highlight that, cut and paste, or just click on copy. And then you can go directly to your Google Docs and paste this directly into your references page. Now, isn't that easy? Also remember that when you're doing in-text citations, there's a different format to cite it in the body of your essay or paper. If you have any questions, make sure to consult your teacher. You can also consult the people at the library for some help with this. Thank you.